Okay, so lastly, my summative assessment, which is a skit and kind of a simple assessment. As you can see here, you got students who are performing said skit in what looks like fourth grade classroom. A skit is, like I said, a summative assessment, and it allows for students to become creative with it, and they're allowed to portray the content given to them in an acting manner, and it allows them to portray it as they've seen it, how they kind of learned it, and it's nice because you kind of see how students learn in different ways and how creative they can get. Um, this one is kind of the grading would be a little bit hard for this one. It would really depend on what you think is good and what's not. But other than that, I like the skit for the creativity side of it and just allowing students to basically be themselves and do what they want.